What will be the end of Israel? Will this oppression end one day? Between verses 4 and 8 in Surah Al-Isra, Allah says that the Jews have created corruption in this world twice. Both times, they were occupied, their cities were destroyed, and they were exiled. In other words, when they violated Allah's command, when they became cruel enough to kill their prophets, Allah punished them by the hands of other people. After mentioning these two corruptions, Allah says the following: "Perhaps your Lord will have mercy on you, but if you return, we will return." It seems that Israel's cruelty will not continue. Oppression doesn't end if it stays at the same level. Oppression ends if it increases. If we form an Islamic union, would they dare to touch Muslims? This is what they are afraid of. Our duty is to concern ourselves with the resurrection of the Ummah, to think about what we can do to spread the message of Islam. Let's together do this so that Allah elevates us for our efforts and brings that promised day.